This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn the input statement in GW Basic Programming Language. So the input statement, this statement is used to input data from the user during the program execution, and the syntax is input prompt string semicolon comma separated list of variables and the interpretation is prompts string is the message that is displayed on the screen to assist the user to input correct data. We can specify more than one variable with a single input statement during program execution. The values entered by the user are assigned to the corresponding variables according to the same sequence in which they are listed. The number of data items supplied by the user must be the same as the number of variables in the list. The type of each data item input must agree with the type specified by the variable name. When a semicolon is used to separate the prompt string from the list of variables as in the first syntax, a question mark appears at the end of the prompt string. This question mark can be avoided by using comma as in the second syntax. instead of the semicolon. And now the example we are going to have, we will type a program in GW Basic. So viewers, here we are. I'm gonna type a computer program in GW Basic to understand the input statement. So first is line number 10. We'll type a remark, start with the statement rem, and type this program calculates the circumference of the circle. Line number 20, we will type input, enter the radius of the circle, and then we'll type double quotes and put a comma, and we'll type radius, and we'll type sign of exclamation to represent the single precision for calculating the real number. So here the sign of exclamation, viewers, you can see that which is used to use a variable having the single precision property data type, and we will type a variable circumference with double precision. This hash sign is used to represent the variable data type as double precision. Circumference is the name of the variable, and then we will type 2 into, since you know that the circumference is 2 times of the formula to calculate circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So we'll type 2 and multiply it with 3.14, which is the value of pi, and then we'll type it again with the radius, which we're gonna give it with the help of the input. So when we execute the program, so if the program will ask the user to give the value of the radius, and then it will multiply the radius with the 3.14, the value of the pi, and then we'll multiply with the 2, and then the value of the whole this formula will be stored in the circumference double precision data type, and then with the value of the value stored in the circumference will be displayed with the help of the print statement. So now I'm going to type the print statement line number 40. I'll type print and then type circumference. I've already told you that whatever is mentioned within double quotes with print statement will be displayed on the output screen. I will type double quotes and then press semicolon, and then type circumference hash. Line number 50, we will type in. Now we will type F4 key to save this program. Now we will type input.bas, and then we will type F3 to load it, and then type input.bas, and then we'll type F2. So first, now we have run the program and trying to ask the user. Now whatever is mentioned with input and print statement and enclosed in the double quotes will be displayed on the output screen. So in line number 20, we have used the input statement and the statement enter the radius of circle greater than sign double quotes has been displayed on the screen, and it asks you to give the value of the radius, and the data type is single precision, so we will give 2.5. And what will happen in the line number 30, the formula of calculating the circumference with the data type double precision. At the right hand side you can see that the whole formula is written like the formula is actually 2 pi r, so the value of the radius will be multiplied with the value of pi and then multiplied with the value of 2. So now we'll press the enter key, so you can see the circumference has been calculated, and you can see how many values are there. The total 17 single precision value have. You can see the total number of values. How can we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and up to 17 digits you can see on the screen, because we have used the double precision data type and for calculating the circumference, and it is actually denoted with the help of the hash symbol. So here we are. So here this is actually the program we have just executed in the GW Basic IDE. So we're going to type a note over here, and the note is one, and input statement is encountered during program execution. The program halts. The prompt string is displayed, and the user types in the requested data strings that input to an input statement need not be surrounded by quotation marks unless they contain commas or blanks. So I'm going to read it again. I'm going to explain it. When an input statement is encountered during the program, like we have this input statement and we have used it in this program. So when we have used this input statement line number 20, so here it is as encountered during the program execution. The program halts. The prompt string is displayed and the user types in the requested data. Strings that input to an input statement needs not to be surrounded by quotation marks unless they contain commas or blanks. So strings, these are all strings. The values we write with the input statement, they don't need to be surrounded by quotation marks unless they contain commas and blanks. So if they contain comma and blank, they don't need to be enclosed, surrounded by the double quotation marks. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video for learning input statement in GW Basic Programming Language.